Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I am back at it this morning, and I got that bearing turned around to the correct direction, the way it was first, and I figured out how I went wrong there. So this is the holes here on this other side, and this is the way I drilled the holes, but that's the way I had it, but it actually goes this way. So I actually had the one hole in the right spot, and I just went the wrong direction with the second hole. So just about got this thing all back together in the right position. Just gonna keep going on from here. Well, I got that piece in the right direction. Now it's all buttoned up. So I've just got this piece of plastic pipe here helping me line things up. So I have got this piece to put on now, and I tried loosening that and pulling that shaft out, but that was the first thing that I've really run onto that was just rusted on so tight that I couldn't get it to move. So rather than fighting it, I just took this part of the rails apart here. I'm just going to pull them apart and slide this thing on there. Well, another milestone done today. I'm not completely done. I still got a few more bolts to get into it, but this bearing right here, I still got to drill some holes and get that bearing mounted. But things are really coming together. This is cool here. I can everything's working. So it's nice seeing forward movement on it. And thanks for watching.